Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So we have another Ameritron al811h here. I have some issues. I'm going to go through it. Grids are not grounded at all in this one. It's one of the versions where it has the grid loading resistors over here. So I'll pull this whole assembly out. I'm going to check everything else over. And then I'll be back. A customer actually ordered a new set of Penta Labs 572Bs. Awesome company. Can't say enough good about them. They're just awesome. So I'll be back. Stay tuned. Okay, I already started unsoldering the connections, but here you have one. I'm going to take out these caps. I'll go directly to ground like I've showed in the other videos. Someone's had their hands in here before. They cross-threaded the screws going into the standoffs for a couple of them. So I had to take the screws out on this side to get it out. I'll have to go in there with my pliers, unscrew it, hold it in place, and get the screw out. And then I'll have to clean the threads up. So, okay, I'm going to get back to work. Hi everybody, I'm back with the completed amplifier. These marks are from the customer. So to let them know what levels not to exceed for the grid current, play current. So I had to do some other stuff to this. I grounded the grids. You saw the other stuff I did. Grounded the grids, changed the SO239 connectors. Ended up having an issue with the bypass caps on the filament choke at the at the transformer side. So I had to take this out, change the 0.01 caps. Someone had done some really poor solder work on the filament choke, so I pulled the filament choke out, cleaned the joints out, put a new choke in, resoldered the wires from the board to the filaments of the tubes really well. It's also got the gas discharge tubes. Cleaned the rotary switch. Backboard was missing a ground screw near the relays to the chassis. It goes through a standoff, so I installed that. It's hard to see without this being removed. Added the bias modification. Now that the tubes are directly the grids are directly grounded. Rotary switches have been cleaned. Everything else checked out. Changed the meter shunt. Changed the meter protection diode. And she's good to go. If you need an amplifier repaired, a tube amplifier. I do not work on solid state amps, so if you need a tube amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. The wire was frayed a little bit there, so I just added a touch of solder to that too. But so, like I said, give me a call, 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119, and my website is amprepairguy.com. Thanks for watching.